Well, it's 6 in the morning, and me... Yeah, that's Brianna making me laugh. Me and Brianna decided to come to the park and make videos while nobody's here. Because... Yeah, that house over there, zooming into it. Yeah, well, there's 3 people over there, and them guys were, like, stalking us, so...
Oh, there's some over in the trees.
Yeah, there's over there.
Over there.
And those trees over there. And over there. People.
It's creepy. They pop out of nowhere.
Well, I guess so we go.
Wait. I'm gonna go down the slidey. Not the little slidey, the big one.
Whoa!
I wouldn't suggest going this way.
Yeah. Whee!
See, the slidey's not there.
Oh, it's not?
Wait, maybe it is.
Yeah. Well,
no, I'm gonna wet.
guess there's nothing else to say.